Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Today my name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to get paid $8.99. In fact, you could get paid anywhere from $1 to $8.99 per minute, that is. And you can do this by chatting with strangers online. This is going to be way more available for a lot more people. For this one, not like my other video that's only for ladies. This is good for ladies and men. This is actually a tool that you can use to make money. Okay, so let's get started. Before I get started, I just want to let you know that if this method does not work out, check out that second link in my video description. You will find a different way to make big money online, and it's going to be a way that I make money online. So check out that second link in my video description if this method doesn't work out, okay? And also, you're on my YouTube channel, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you give me a big thumbs up underneath this video if you do find it valuable, and I hope you do because it's gonna make you some money with this new tool. And yes, men and women can use this, and it's for a variety of different people, okay? So let's go to the site, and it's at premium.chat. So that's how you get to the site, premium.chat. And so this is a tool where it's basically a billing system for you to be able to charge people to chat or like consult with them online. So you can do this by text or by live chat. So there are two different ways to chat with people, and it's going to be for a variety of different people that could use this service. So let me just go through what they have. Okay, get paid to chat or consult with clients, fans, and followers. Add a profitable new revenue stream to your website or social media accounts. Do you value your time? Premium.chat makes it easy to get paid to chat and consult with clients, fans, and followers. Simply set per minute fees or flat rates for text or video chat. Premium.chat is perfect for coaches, consultants, influencers, experts, psychics, adult entertainers, tech support agents. In fact, any individual or business offering one-on-one paid chat or consultancy services can use this tool. And this is not hard to set up. It literally just takes minutes to set up, and you have no setup costs or monthly fees. So basically, they are going to take a portion of your fee, and I'll let you know how much that is in a bit. So paycheck the way you want it. So what you're going to do is when you set up this thing, you're going to either have a link or you can embed like a premium chat client onto a website. You can do that as well. And you can have people talk to you when you're online and available, or you can set hours or set a schedule so that people can book you a certain time ahead of time. Let's see what else they have. Offer any service you want, from professional consultancy to webcam modeling and everything in between. Video chat securely and in real time from any device with no need to install an app. Build a global clientele as the world switches to remote working. So you can have clients all over the world, okay? Get paid to text chat. Video calls aren't for everyone, so Premium Chat also supports text-based chat, consultancy, and support services. So you could use the chat, and then so this is the part that makes this tool very useful for anybody who wants to make money by chatting with somebody. So this is the chat billing system that you need to be able to bill people per minute or a flat rate. So your time is valuable, so start getting paid for it. And this is connected securely with clients all around the world, and you can set your own fees to maximize your profits. So easily set text and video chat fees that work for you, from 50 cents to $5.99 per minute, or up to $50 for flat rate chat. I said $8.99, and I'm going to show you where that is. Okay. Stay in control. Work from anywhere on any device. We handle the billing. You handle the chat. They also have a 2-tier referral program. So if you have other people, if you refer other people, you can make some money here. 2.5% of all revenue generated by your referrals, and 2.5% of anyone they refer. So this is pretty good. So how it works, you're gonna sign up real quick here so you get started for free. So you just click this link and sign up. It's very easy sign up. You're gonna create a chat widget or profile. So you're gonna create widgets for your website covering the paid chat topics you offer. No website, simply create a premium.chat profile instead. And then, of course, you can get started for free. Add to your website and social media. Copy and paste the HTML code for your widget to your website, or promote your premium.chat profile on social media. So let's see. So here you could set your availability. Work when you want. Simply set your availability to online or offline, or create a schedule to set your availability automatically. Accept or decline chat requests. When a client clicks Let's Chat Now on your profile widget, we'll send you an SMS and email. We'll tell you their name, the chat topic, and what you'll earn. So let's take a look at their FAQs. There's a couple of things that I do want to bring to your attention. Here is a list of types of people that would use this tool, and for what industry. As you can see, you don't need any software or app, so it's just literally you have a link to just promote for your social media. They handle all the credit card and debit billing. They handle all the payments, so you don't have to worry about that. So here it is. Here's the pricing, okay? For text chat, you could set a rate of $1 to $5.99 per minute. And then for live video chat, you can set a per minute rate of $2 per minute up to $8.99 per minute. And then there's also the chat, this flat fee that is just $50 flat. I don't know why they don't give you a higher rate for your flat fee, but that you can only charge up to $50 for that one. Okay, so before you get paid, you're gonna need to know how much they're gonna take, which is quite a bit of your money. So there is no other fees though. So there's no credit card fees, there's no transaction fees, there's no monthly fees for using their tool, their billing system. So if you take those 3 things into account and any other fees that these sites can actually charge you, then 20 to 40% is not that bad. So if you make less than $10,000 per month, they're gonna take 40% as their commission. If you make $1,000, you're gonna keep $600. So that seems pretty steep. But the more you make, the more you keep, basically. Okay. And how you get paid is you're gonna get paid by direct deposit or PayPal, and you're gonna get paid on the 10th of the month. And when you get paid on the 10th, you're going to get paid for the previous month's call revenue. Oh, I just want to show you, here is an example of a chat on a website, I guess. So their link is just premium.chat/breakup boost. So this is like a relationships coach. And so if you have relationship and breakup problems, then you can talk to Trina and chat with her for $1.25 a minute. And so this is it. So this is a very simple little website that they'll make for you, basically. Give you a page where you kind of like your profile for them. And then your clients can just start, click here and ask to request to charge, or to request to chat with you. Right now, when you click it, you have to be, part of the platform first. So you have to sign up with them first. So without that, you can't use that. And there is something on the FAQs here that tells me that this is really just for US people, because I couldn't tell anywhere else what was going on, but where the country is. And it says here, stay tuned, we will be expanding to even more countries. If they could pay through PayPal, I'm not sure why this would not be okay for other countries. Because, see, if they pay by PayPal, You would think any country could use this. And maybe you can actually. I don't know. They don't specifically say like what country can use this. They just said they're going to be expanding to even more countries soon. So I'm actually not sure who could use this. I think as long as you have access to a US bank account and PayPal, I don't see why you can't use it. It's all web-based. It's all online. So, I mean, if you have any concerns, just contact them and ask them the questions. So like I said, this is a very cool tool to have, and I highly recommend it. It looks really cool. But if you don't want a business like that and talk to clients, then that's a different story. And then maybe you should just check out the second link in my video description, because that kind of business down there, you don't have to talk to anybody or be on camera if you don't want to. So there are different ways of making money online, and this is just one of many, many ways. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can see all my videos that come out every single week, okay? And don't forget to hit that notification bell and get notified when each of my videos come out, because I have no idea what time they come out, okay? So get notified. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.